Everything me have, you know me work hard for it. So why don't you nigga bad mind me for it? Every day them see me out a road and me a flash. Buy me one a liquor, so me have me one a glass. All them me close them so sharp. So who no like me style, tell a boy fit your calf now. Them a watch everything and me a wear and no see the hard work when me do for me career now. Them a wonder how me things and so there them want kill you for the car where you was here. Me heart not dirty, me heart clean like the water from the stream.
Welcome my people, welcome. It's the start of the Lent season. I don't know. Most don't understand when them say Lent, what that mean. Most people, supernatural people, tell us say Lent you have to be careful. Most people never want to travel them time yeah. You understand, and do certain things because we don't know what it mean when time them say Lent. So today the first Ash Wednesday is the beginning of Lent. One of the main things, a lot of people don't eat meat at this time of the year until the Lent finish. Most people when them a drink, like drinkers who drink alcohol, rum and them something there, them not drink, not the name alcohol. Today them last day, and when tomorrow come, that's how it stop until the Lent done. So almost the fish and vegetable people feed pan when them time of year come, Lent time. So basically, as you hear me promising in our previous video, today we are going to do an open roast fish, some open fire roast fish. But we are going to also do a fire up fish. So I have one nice size, make sure I request my brethren, you know, where him regularly go a river against the diver them and stuff. You understand? Join the journey, you're not supposed to see him, you know. Yeah, when me do the collab them with. So I tell him to get one nice 1 pound, anything over a pound. So I bring one away over a pound come. I'm going to show them, I scale it and I want to prepare it. And I have two when they give me in the week when we do one vlog last week. Them they know. I might use the bigger one and fire up the bigger one there also. But the smaller one, I'm going to show it and open fire in the scale. Right? So when you just stay tuned, when you know what to do, we're going to do some open fire roast fish and not much fish. But that 1 pound after me done slit him and clean him up and stuff him, Jesus please. One nice glass of fruit punch, I mean I want not no more. One nice glass of fruit punch, I mean I want not no more. So, you just come with me. I'm going to scale the fish, you just go and do the do. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend and hit the thumbs up on the video. Please to watch the ads, continue to support the backup channel Life is a Mission TV, which is this channel. And go follow me on TikTok, Life is a Mission TV. Alright, and please go support the merge. You understand? Just go on the website of charmsandtrend.shop and buy a t-shirt. Alright? Please and thanks. Support the merge. Support. Life is a Mission. Speak my mind merge. Anyone of the slang them don't want on it and you can't get it. And the good thing about shopping with Charms and Trends, anything you see on the website or on the Instagram page, charmed_and_trends and Instagram, when you can get it to any way you like it. Customize, just request it, drop na the DM for further information. Quick you get a response from customer care service, very good customer care service. And remember now, quality goods for affordable prices. Just check out the website and make your order, charmsandtrend.shop. Come, we're going to show you the fish nose. And remember, please, most of all, watch the ads, help the channel to grow. You understand? As I say in Easter, with a little plan the way I plan to go to the airport road, out of a nice little spot the way I see. Go do some a little cookout out there right in the ocean here. That's where the wave will wash right up and the stove depends on how high the wave is that day. Yeah man. Right out there some more and go do some cooking one of them day. I like a little spot them. I pass a couple times and I just like the open area. One time I go there I see a little man there with them family, like 2 kids and him baby mother. And I say I know one nice little spot in after you come off of the road and climb up on the rock. And I look over the side back to like you go St. Thomas Marant Bay side. Yeah. Not the Kingston side. The countryside. Yeah. I like the little spot. I'm want to go cook up something out there. Find me some curry chicken and dumpling and banana. So I want to stay tuned for all the little one day in the Easter. Alright? So come, we are going to the fisher now. So alright my people, see the big old giant here people. Yeah man. I'm going to slit him from up to the top here so. Yeah. I now normally that, you know, after you clean them out, you stuff them from here so, but I'm going to slit it way up in here so. Get the knife sharp enough and slit it right up in here so. open him up in a two and stuff him. Yeah man, see big old giant yeah. Alright, a river fish this people, we call it perch. The other name for it is tilapia. But these are the real black perch. The real Jamaican species of black perch this. Yeah, some little cicalette and some little Cuban one with them there. Are the real one this. Yeah man. Them like some in Jamaica we are kill off that breed yeah. That breed a perch yeah. Can't survive through them. So we are gonna scale him now and get him ready. So stay tuned. Real big people watch it. I'm bigger on the size of my hand. Plus I cut off the tail with a part of the measurement. I have to rest it on this to scale the tail properly. Because remember me always telling about the fine scale them down in the tail and up in the head and on the gill. If you want to really enjoy the fish, if you use a fish lover where heat all the head on the fish, you have to make sure it brush properly. That's them scale they have to turn on off. Alright. So anyway. We have to slit him now yeah, so, and guts him and then we do the do. Yeah man, guts. And I really make a dog eat them there. Especially a young dog and them something there. You just throw that down on a piece of paper and carry dispose of it properly. Because your dog eat that him liable to vomit up the whole place. So I get some vinegar you know people. And wash him off. Yeah man, I get some vinegar and I wash him off and then we season him up. The next two in a water out because them they come out of the freezer. This come fresh from the river right away. So alright my people. See me? See me? Alright. So instead of we just slit him from here so and stuff him. We slit him from the back. I will just lay him on his side and then we're going to stuff him. Alright? And we just lock him up back. We not stitch him up though, we just lock him back. Yeah man, and rest him in our fire and steam him. So everything penetrates right through both sides of him. Not just in the belly but both sides of him. So stay tuned, look properly cleaned up. See it? Looking at him. See it? Yeah, see him? Yeah man, open him up. So I'm not gonna say all of this, so just stay tuned for it. Fried roast fish with some pumpkin and okra. Probably steam 2 bami. Steam one bami and 2 crackers. I don't know which one I'm gonna use it, if I'm gonna use the 2 of them or not. And I'm gonna show them I was telling about the open fire roast, where you roast the fish in the scale instead of you scale him, because when you scale him like this, when you put him on the open fire, the whole of the flesh, this and meat, you know, this are going to burn up. You don't want that. So the scale protect this when you put it on the open fire. So I want to just stay tuned for the open fire and fire roast fish. Alright? A Lent. And when I Lent, them say a straight fish and vegetable, no meat. But you don't know, people still eat them meat because people not believe in certain things, you know. But you still have a few who believe. Alright? So stay tuned. So people, alright. See the bami and soak, then I coconut milk. I have the next 2 fish I take out of the fridge and scale. I did rest, but this now, after seasoning it up, I season it up already. I rest it back in the bag and rest it in the fridge. So the season go and marinate. Okra, pumpkin, and carrot. And as I said, the rest of season, we are going to season up them 2 fish. And then now, I go open roast one of them. I thought open roast one of them. I did plan for open fire roast one of them. Never remember nothing. And guess what I go to people? I go scale the 2 of them. So basically, this open fire roast fish come like every time if you do it, the fish them scale. Can't remember. So I have to go file all of the fish them and file roast them. Alright? This is the bami I have a soak in some season up coconut milk. Because you don't know, you have to give the cassava and really have that taste there. Right, if you go back up on the bitter one. So basically, I soak the bami in some coconut milk with season up. So when you bite your bami, the bami are going at the fish, wrapping at the fish steam, not fry, steam. So when you're biting your bami, you're supposed to taste a seasoning that come from it with the milk as flavoring. Alright? But there on TikTok live too, so I go and do the thing. Alright? So stay tuned. See fireside I go light anytime, So I can get the space, So after we wrap him, I will stuff him, put him down there so. And if you not see what I want, well, I'm not showing you what I want. So after we do all of that now, put on some more water. I'll wrap him. I want the files tear in because the coconut milk now have to throw in there. So when I want the files tear to leak out, we just have to wrap it to the next piece of file. Oh, I forgot one thing. I when I wrap it a while ago, I remember, Hold on a minute. So the bami, you put this bami in it. Yeah. soak in your coconut milk, seasoning coconut milk. So I put a piece of bami. So the bami I go steam in the fish. Right. So basically, so just have to wrap back this now. So I forgot the bami now you find. I'll go over too tight with that. So we just have to get back some coverage from the file because we don't want the file to tear. Right, we don't want the file to tear. So I'll come back now. Alright. Yeah, so we start wrap back the file now. So we give the file a little more space because the bami go in there. So basically you have to keep a little more space. So it's not go too tight and it's not go tear the file. And as we say, you don't want the file tear because the file have to keep locked. So when the coconut milk throw in, right. So I'm going to throw in the coconut milk here now. And we have to just wrap it back here now. Just lock it here now. Lock it back. Spoil your leaf. Remember now a fish, we don't want too much fire to burn it. Alright? So rest this up. So we have to wrap the next few right here now and go and play some music. So when you see we go on this up people, so we are gonna wrap the next few and go and play some music. Alright? So basically we are do a video for YouTube and we are do TikTok live, but as you know, music can't work over here. So alright, so stay tuned. So alright people, fish dip on the grill here now. I turn the first one I'm going to put on. I try it first, I wrap and put on. You don't know, I don't know what for fire steam fish, you know. You understand? I just low flame, steam fish. You understand? So you have the fire, you don't want it to get too low, wait to go out. So now and again, I back a look at one piece of board to hold the coal to bring up at the flame. But you want it to stay on steam and the bami and the vegetable steam, which is you have the pumpkin, the okra and ripe plant. Anyway, stay tuned and go and do the do. You know what to do, like, share, subscribe, tell a friend. The open roast fish coming like it must do. Every time it do, the fish end up scale. The last time I the fisherman scale the fish and I tell her not scale it. Now I me scale it, I never remember nothing. Some people. Yeah man. So I turn down the fire side. The bami on the fire side, it's itching at the fire. I eat that from people. Yeah? Yeah, man. Next to the pan the fire, so no fire where actually ashes are on it, so just keep it warm. If them want steam the bit more, them can steam the because them go on last. This is the one that go on first. So I eat that, you know, them say fish and vegetable at the start of them there. So, but people still eat them meat. Can't stop people from eat them meat. And everybody believe in them something. So anyway, I don't know me around the TikTok live. I'm gonna play the music. Come here, cut off the YouTube video in now. So just pick up on yourself. You know what to do. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up on the video and please to watch it out. And remember, go over on the website to purchase a shirt, charms and chain that shop. Alright? Best up on yourself. Ash Wednesday, the start of Lent. Be careful. You understand? Yeah, man, just be careful. If you can't be good, be careful. So, just do the do. Remember, watch your ads. Peace out.